Guys, we got breaking news. NIO just signed a massive deal with the UAE and also Egypt, and they're going to expand into Middle East, North African countries. This deal is massive. They just signed it, and on the NIO app, they're also talking about this. And on the NIO app, they actually said, William Lee said, "Hello everyone, on October 4th, under the joint witness of President Mohammed of the United Arab Emirates and President Sisi of Egypt, we signed a strategic cooperation agreement with strategic investor CYVN to establish an advanced technology research and development center in Abu Dhabi, the United Arab Emirates, focusing on the research and development of intelligent driving and artificial intelligence technology, and further expanding NIO. Global research and development layout to help technological innovation in the Middle East and North Africa. We and CYVN will also jointly develop a new model for local market to better serve the needs of our local users. At the same time, we announced that we will officially enter the Middle East and North Africa markets and will officially open delivery in the United Arab Emirates in the fourth quarter of this year." Yeah, in Q4 of this year, they're going to start deliveries in UAE and provide NIO full system services for users in the Middle East and North Africa from the United Arab Emirates. At the event site, I introduced the innovation of NIO technology, products, and services to the presidents of the two countries, focusing on chip, electric drive, intelligent driving, charging, and exchange, battery swap exchange technology. The two presidents highly praised our innovation. The two presidents experienced the NIO ES8, Envoy L60, and a new car that has not yet been released yet. What car is this? Not sure. It's obviously not the ET9 because that has already been released. It's probably going to be the Firefly car that they've experienced. All right. So very nice, very under the radar. Okay. They like each car very much, and we have discussed and exchanged a lot about the details of the product. I also received a very precious gift. The two presidents signed the design manuscript of ET9 as a special commemoration of the day's event. The Middle East and North African markets are important strategic markets for NIO, and Chinese brand intelligence electric vehicles are also becoming more and more popular in the region. Last year, CYVN invested $3.3 billion in NIO, becoming an important strategic investor and partner of NIO. CYVN's rich local resources and global experience can not only help NIO's business expansion in Central and Northeastern Africa, but also accelerate NIO's globalization process. Thank you for your trust and support. Let's continue to power up. So even though the deal is signed in Egypt, what you're seeing in this video appears to be a NIO store probably in the UAE that's not yet officially open, but they've pretty much finished most of it. Now, at the bottom of the post, William Lee actually said 25 countries by the end of 2025. So they are committed to global expansion, and it seems that UAE is fully ready and other countries will follow suit. Also, this is very funny. This is William Lee's wife. William Lee's wife on September 25th asked her husband, what are our plans for the national holiday vacation? And then William Lee said, "I need to go to Egypt." And then she's like, What? When are you going to tell me? And then William Lee said, "I'm telling you right now." And William Lee even said here, replied, the most important thing is the president's itinerary is kind of late. Now, the Arab Times, there's a Arab news outlet that reported on this as well, and their reporting is a little bit different. They said that in the presence of, they said that they're actually forming a joint venture to advance EV innovation, and they said under the presence of the presidents of both countries, NIO has partnered with Abu Dhabi-based CYVN to launch NIO MENA, MENA, and MENA, and MENA stands for Middle East North Africa. The collaboration marks NIO's entry into the Middle East and North Africa, where it aims to introduce cutting-edge electric vehicle solutions contributing to the region's sustainable development goals. Yep. We all knew about that. Supported by strategic investment from CYVN Holdings, NIO MENA will introduce NIO's vehicle models and those from its subsidiary brands to the MENA market, thereby expanding its footprint and integrating further into the global smart EV ecosystem. So it appears that it's more of NIO MENA selling the cars in the UAE. So it's not just NIO doing the heavy lifting, it's NIO and CYVN selling cars together via NIO MENA, which is very, very interesting. The UAE has been chosen as the initial market for NIO MENA, positioning the region as a key player in deploying advanced autonomous driving systems and battery swapping technologies. In addition to market entry, NIO and CYVN plan to establish a state-of-the-art research and development R&D center in Abu Dhabi. This facility will focus on autonomous driving and artificial intelligence advancements, reinforcing NIO's global R&D capabilities and fostering technological innovation in the MENA region. As part of the broader regional vision, NIO and CYVN Holdings also plan to collaborate on a new electric vehicle project involving research, manufacturing, and future product launches. This is probably the 4-7 brand launching a car using NIO's patents, most likely. This initiative will see NIO MENA working with local partners in Egypt, further advancing Egypt's role in the electric vehicle manufacturing landscape. Jassam Mohammed Obaid Bu Ataba Al-Zabi, chairman of CYVN Holdings, said, "We are proud to support NIO as it leads the way in the electric vehicle sector. This partnership is a testament to our mutual commitment to fostering the strength of our strategic collaborations and achieving transformative goals in the smart mobility sector." William Lee, founder, chairman, and CEO of NIO, said, "Our collaboration with CYVN Holdings is a cornerstone in our strategy to enhance global accessibility to smart electric vehicles and push the boundaries of technological innovation with CYVN's support. NIO is poised to accelerate its international business scope and bring innovative EV technologies to users in the MENA region." So it's not just NIO putting out the money, which is very nice. It means, there's not going to be super a high amount of cash burn spent on expansion into the Middle East. CYVN is also going to be putting up some of the money for expansion and sales in the UAE, which is very, very bullish in my opinion. Now, this picture, you can see the EL8, otherwise known as the ES8, being showcased to the presidents, both presidents, and William Lee is explaining it to them. Very nice, but the next picture really caught my attention. Here in the background, you can actually see an Envo logo in this store. So this store is not just going to be NIO cars, it's also going to have Envo cars displayed in the same store, which is going to be absolutely fantastic. So just like NIO's strategy in China, they're going to have cars that can do battery swap for every single kind of customer and budget here in China. And of course, they're also going to bring all of that into the UAE and the Middle East, all sorts of different budgets. So for those more economical customers, they got the Envo to choose from or the Firefly, and for those more posh, luxurious customers, they can of course buy a NIO as well. This is undoubtedly super, super bullish, guys. There's president supporting NIO, not just here in China, but also the Middle East. Absolutely incredible. And I believe they are going to sell extremely, extremely well in the UAE as well. But most importantly for shareholders, it is important to remember that with this subsidiary, it means that expansion costs are also split with CYVN. So it's not just NIO spending all the money. CYVN is putting skin in the game as well. So this is very nice in my opinion. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.